In this video we show how microsensors are mounted on the Manual Micromanipulator. We start with mounting a needle-type microsensor using the Safe Insert function. First, open the sensor holder and plunger fixing. Then put the sliding table on top in front position using the micrometer screw of the fine drive. Place the microsensor in the sensor holder, but do not close the holder yet. The mounting has to end flush with the protruding edge of the syringe barrel. Now attach the plunger fixing, like we show here, so the plunger is clamped inside. Make sure to close the thumb screw of the fixing tightly so there is no margin. Then close the sensor holder, remove the protective plastic cap that covers the needle and the fiber transport block. Turning the micrometer screw counterclockwise will pull back the syringe housing while the sensor fiber will stay in place. This way the sensor tip is gradually uncovered. Cover the sensor tip again before inserting the microsensor into solid or semi-solid substrates. To mount a needle-type microsensor without using the Safe Insert function, you again start by opening the sensor holder and plunger fixing. Then place the microsensor in the sensor holder so the holder grips the syringe barrel when it is closed. Remove the protective plastic cap from the needle and the fiber transport block. Pushing the plunger of the microsensor housing forward will extend the sensor tip now. Cover the sensor tip again before inserting the microsensor into solid or semi-solid samples. Last, we show how an implantable microsensor is mounted on the Manual Micromanipulator. Prepare the clamp for bare fibers that was delivered with the micromanipulator and start by carefully taking the IMP out of its protective glass housing. Then take the clamp and loosen the thumb screw in front. Insert the implantable microsensor in one of the two notches beneath the screw. Take care and insert the IMP from the side. Do not try to thread it into the notch from the back or the top, because this might damage the fiber or the sensor tip. When the clamp screw is closed, the sensor fiber should be securely fixed in position within the notch. Now place the clamp with the installed IMP in the sensor holder of the Manual Micromanipulator. Make sure the sensor fiber is not caught in the holder before closing it. Loosening the clamp screw slightly, you can then move the sensor tip back or forth and adjust its position to your requirements.